Ebi bigambirwa mu rukiko rw'enguuto za district ya Mitooma okureeba ngu zateebwa mu buteeka. Urukiko rubiire aha mbuga nkuru za district egi rwebembirwe MP wa Ruhinda South chairman w'akakiiko k'enguuto aha district ya Mitooma oshabire ingini y'okuruga aha kushahura sente za government obu arikutunga omushahara.
Let's stop this habit of hiking the BOQs. Let's stop the habit of hiking the BOQs. We've been guided. The district road committee must approve. And it must approve the road is agreed upon. Okay? And what the engineer has told you, this money can't even do 100 kilometers.
Omunyeshengero kazashabira Abeebembezi okuzoora amisho ahari sente z'obutenda kweterana na gavumenti bazikoresa enguuto zikuyamba abantu babano batwara emishuburo yabo mu butare n'obu engineer yorekere kuba kiine ekizibu ky'entambura babano baza kuramura enguuto ezi.
Babana bakora enguuto ezo barabanzeho zibe zigeze enguuto ezikuyamba abantu kuza nko mu butare kuzo mu bikomera kugira ngo nabo bagire icyo bagoba. Twine projects nyingi za government ezo twine nke za parish development model twine ezemyuga byo nabyo nvani byenkarejinga abantu kukora.
Challenges is part of the report. We have some challenges as we implement our activities. First, we don't have supervision vehicles. Moving here to Mayanga is difficult.
Chairman wa district atumira abanyeshengero okureeba ngu sente z'okwingana akahumbi kamwe akizire buri district okuboneza enguuto bazikore nke za PDM n'ez'emyogo ezirikwija buri mwaka kibase kwiyahurwe kwaso enguuto mbo mu ihanga.
It is on our part whereby the mantle to drive in the road sector. Please drive carefully. Be ready.
How much money have you allocated to operational costs out of this 1 billion? And how much money have you allocated to maintenance? Before we go to any other money, before we go to which roads we have chosen.
Enjure yagwire okwezi kwa kashatu ekasigasisire enguuto nyingi omuri Mitooma gashakwa Ben Muhozi.